Damn, I was 2 days from retirement.
Oh my God! John Williams!
Meru kawenga de anu la alohanyu. Anu elohanyu. Wane!
Where are you taking this thing?
Prisoner transfer from cell block 1138.
You think you could get me a room by the pool?
Oh, it's funny because you are a prisoner, and there is no pool because he's Death Star. Oh.
Boy, you got here just in time.
No!
Yeah! That's how we do it in my neighborhood, bitch!
I got him! I got him! I'm going in. Cover me, Porkins!
Having a little trouble here.
Ah! I'm coming, Elizabeth!
Roll 'em up.
I have you now, young Skywalker. And with today's gas prices, not a minute too soon.
She said Obi-Wan Kenobi. I wonder if she means old Obi-Wan Kenobi. Well, I guess I'll go bullseye some womp rats in my T-16.
Aren't you a little fat to be a stormtrooper?
Well, stay here and rot, you stuck-up bitch. Why do they call them TIE fighters?
No idea!
Whoopers a thigh!